That's right, it's pouring out, but what's dog? He looked his head, bumped his head, and couldn't wake up in the morning. Yep, it's raining outside. That means we can't go outside and play. That sucks. But look at the bright side. We have our friends here. Yep. So you see, Jonathan? Oh, yeah. I see a lot of... We have our friends here. Okay? Sure you do. We have our friends. 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 We have our we have our friends. We have our friends. We have our friends. Okay? We have our friends. Oh, yeah.
Why are you guys screaming loud?
Because we want to. Okay. Well, now that there's nothing to do, I guess I'm bored and my life is so screwed up and I'm PO'd. So I think I'm gonna... Yes. Okay, so what do you guys want to do today? Well, we can't stay inside and do rainy day activities. And we should group together to form an alliance and
That didn't make sense, but okay. Let's form an alliance.
Okay, you got a point. I'm joining the alliance. Let's join the alliance. Wow, there's a whole crowd over there except for me. I'm gonna go to the crowd. Okay. Yeah. So, you guys want to do anything while we're, rainy day activities? Yeah, sure. Okay. I wish we could go outside, but we can't. It's too yucky outside and crappy and stuff. You know, you shouldn't swear in the school. But okay. Larry, let's go out in the rain. Hold up. I thought you said we were doing rainy day activities. Yeah, I just want to play in the mud. Come with me. You know what? I'm coming with. Okay. Our mouth, your mouth is close to my mouth. I'm gonna move back. Okay, so what are we gonna do? It's raining, but I don't see any rain. It looks fine, but it sounds like it's raining. I don't know. I don't possibly know, so what are we gonna do? let's just go back inside because it's wet and cold and I'm starting to get muddy and I don't like getting wet that much. Where are you? Where? Elijah, where are you? I don't know. Now I'm even far. Oh, there you are. Okay, I'm going into school. I'm coming. I think, people are getting lost. Now we have to end the little video. Not until I find Jonathan. And the animator better not stop there. We have to find